At NXP, we are committed to nurture, mentor, collaborate, and develop the startup ecosystem in the country. We have been working with the government, industry, academia to build this ecosystem. With help of our key initiatives like India Tech Startup Challenge, Semiconductor Startup Incubation and Acceleration Program, we have reached out to many startups and are working with them very closely, providing them with the right guidance and networking opportunities. We hope to continue this journey and enable a strong startup ecosystem in India.
We are working on a patented CMOS MEMS omni-gas sensing platform technology where we can have multiple sensing principles on the same die. This is a complicated piece of hardware wherein we are receiving excellent mentorship from NXP in terms of the package design, integrating our sensing die with the electronics, microelectronics, as well as the overall validation of the entire chip. We are also exploring enormous potential collaborations in creating solutions for applications like lithium-ion battery safety and in-cabin air quality monitoring for the automobile space. So the experience of dealing with the leadership of NXP is extremely good and very informative and puts us in the right direction, getting information from the best people in this business. Thank you.
I'm very fortunate to be associated with NXP Technologies here. The best thing about NXP Technologies, they're very proactive and forthcoming in helping us in scaling up our products and patents to a new level and helping us to strengthen our case with the chip DLI scheme with the Government of India has launched. And they helped us really in that sense to cover every aspects of the requirements and specifications. And we've been able to successfully submit our applications, and so far the process has been smooth, and we expect more and happier times associated with NXP. Thank you.
Lightspeed Photonics is building the next generation free space optical interconnects for co-packaged optics in data centers. So essentially for us to work with some of the best chip makers like NXP, where we have the network processors available to communicate and connect with our data I/O. So immediately after we got into the program, we were connected to the packaging experts, the experts who are building the smart network interface cards and products related to the data center market. And we were also given a path to a potential customer through their business units and their customer use cases. We were given an opportunity to explore potential pilot opportunities, and it's been great working with Ankit Pal from NXP and others from the team who have given us support. And thank you so much NXP for the opportunity, and the more visibility we are getting and the more value that you are creating for the startups, it's really helpful for us.
At NXP, I think it's really warm welcome, and always with NXP we work in terms of collaborations for technical competencies, and we get real help in terms of market access as well, like specifically in terms of branding places where NXP gives us some space to showcase our products, showcase our demonstrations, and one of them is of course today, where NXP is giving us enough kind of brand value. I think with Hitesh right now and earlier Sanjay, so we really are delighted to be part of NXP.
We have worked with NXP Semiconductor to make our GPGPU. Actually, we have world's first deposit-based GPGPU. So it has a 512 cores, and the NXP team helping us to make implement in ASIC technology as well as in VLSI. And we have a very interesting technology called a carry-free added technology, which reduces the dependency between each instructions. And the NXP team, especially here in India and the US, they are helping us a lot to make a specific transistor modeling, especially thank some persons here in India as well as in US to make our products available across the globe.
It's an absolute pleasure to be part of the NXP team. We have been working with the NXP leadership team for close to 1 year, and there is a lot of mentoring in terms of both technical as well as business level. We get to interact with the leadership team of NXP team where they help us not just in the technology front or in the business front. They also help us in reaching out to our potential customers, in reaching out to the different strategies that we want to develop, so that our IP and the product is in line with the existing world-class technology, or perhaps better than that. So there are a lot of activities that we have done in collaboration with NXP. Thank you, NXP, and also I would like to thank FABC IIT Hyderabad as well as the MeitY Startup India program for having such a great platform for the startup like us.